Today's design and construction projects require disparate teams to collaborate closely so they can complete projects on time and on budget. But with distinct teams come data silos and disconnected communication. Autodesk BIM 360 removes these barriers with a single platform that connects design and construction processes and project teams in one place. BIM 360 Docs is the entry point to this centralized platform, providing the entire project team with the information they need to get their job done. With BIM 360 Docs, teams can publish, manage, and share documents of all file types in one centralized location with unlimited storage in the cloud. Provide controlled access to information to the people that need it, when they need it, and in the format they want, either 3D or 2D. Perform design and constructability reviews with version control with automatic slip sheeting, hyperlinks to other drawings and documents, and powerful compare tools to quickly visualize changes. And add comments, markups, and measurements to drawings and models, along with identified design issues to collaborate with the team and keep the project moving. With BIM 360 Docs, project teams have the right information at the right time, keeping projects on time and on budget. BIM 360 Docs is part of Autodesk BIM 360, the only cloud platform that connects design and construction teams, processes, and data to inform decision-making, improve outcomes, and accelerate project delivery. Experience the power of a connected project. Try BIM 360 today.